Welcome to Sunny Elevator. We're discussing the importance of elevator guide rails, the critical components that ensure your elevator operates safely and smoothly. Guide rails are essential parts of any elevator system. They run vertically along the shaft, guiding the elevator car and counterweight during movement. Their primary function is to keep the elevator stable and aligned as it travels up and down, ensuring smooth and safe rides for passengers. At Sunny Elevator, we design our guide rails with high precision to ensure perfect alignment. This prevents the elevator from swaying or tilting, even in high-speed elevators or tall buildings, providing passengers with a secure and comfortable experience. Our guide rails are made from high-strength steel and are built to withstand the heavy loads and constant use that modern elevators demand. They are engineered for long-lasting performance, minimizing wear and reducing the need for frequent maintenance. With precise engineering and robust materials, Sunny Elevator guide rails offer superior stability, durability, and safety. Whether it's for residential, commercial, or industrial applications, our guide rails ensure reliable operation in any environment. When it comes to safety and smooth performance, Sunny Elevator guide rails are the foundation of a dependable elevator system. Trust Sunny Elevator to deliver the quality and performance your building needs.